All right, so here we are with our emergency trauma kit. So if you're looking for something more than just a first aid kit to have on hand, it's a good option. It's going to come with everything you need. I'll kind of go over everything you're going to get in here. Let's talk about the outside of the bag. It's pretty cool, like a mini backpack design. A lot of straps and functionality and things going on here. As far as the back, you got these snaps you can undo, and you could snap that to whatever you want. You're going to have these buckles on the bottom, and by having this attached to something, this is a quick release bag. So if you undo the buckle here, and whatever you have this attached to, you can just quickly rip the bag off and have access to it with this nice big Velcro pad. This will stick to the back of your seats, like an SUV, hatchback, whatever it might be. So easy to keep in your vehicle, in the house, camping, hiking, wherever you're going to need something like this. So inside of this kit, you're going to get a lot of different things. So let's open this up, check it out. So you can see, it really comes packed. Left the card attached here just to kind of go over a lot of the things that are in here. You're going to have bleeding control. So you're going to get some combat application tourniquets, trauma bandages, folded compressed gauze. You're going to get a bone fracture rolled splint to help you with that. You're going to get a mini size permanent marker, EMT trauma shears, first aid tape, disposable gloves, thermal blanket. Yeah, space age thermal blanket is pretty cool. Amazing. Something like that. Keep you warm. Very cool technology. A lot of fun things in here. Not fun if it's a serious situation, but awesome things in here to help you in case you're in an emergency situation. So you're also, for wound care, you're going to get elastic bandage, triangle bandage, dressings, universal bandage packs. So you're going to get medium, knuckle bandages, butterfly bandages, antiseptic cleaning wipes, sterile gauze, adhesive wound dressing, a lot of different things. You're also going to get this little book. So it's first aid guide for severe trauma to help you, guide you along. If something tragic is happening to somebody and you need to take care of them really quick. Good to just kind of study this thing beforehand too. I'm trying to pull it out and figure out what am I looking for. So yeah, very cool. Like I said, comes with everything you need in here. This kit is packed with all kinds of goodies and stuff to take care of you in an emergency situation. And just really cool way to carry it. Packaging, love this thing. Awesome. Highly recommend having one of these on hand, especially if you're in this kind of situations where this could really come in handy.